I need money for a taxi.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. Check this lady out. She has a pretty strange story. Let me know what you guys think.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hi, this is an emergency. I need to get home to my brother and he just got in a car accident and I need money for a taxi. Could you please answer?
Would you guys also think this is trash on this corner?
Yo, man, don't take that shit. Don't take it. You're on camera.
That's not for sale.
It's not trash. I already have your license plate, so. Fucking crackheads. Leave that shit there.
Please leave it alone.
Like stealing a fucking piece of shit. I'm gonna find you.
Please put that back.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Yeah.
Hello?
My friend told me. Yeah.
Who is it?
My friend told me to sit here and wait for him.
Who is it? What's your name?
Kobe.
What's your name?
Kobe.
Who's your friend? Hey, who's your friend? Oh my god, Corbin, and our back door is open. He's going in our house. Go home.
Please make sure you double check those doors before you go in and try not to leave any valuables in your car.
Fuck you doing? Hey. Hey. Fuck back here. What you doing? Hey.
This homeowner isn't playing about her package. Watch as she chases this pirate down.
Hey, motherfucker, you want to bring that back? Hey! I see you!
Only if the dog was bigger and could handle her dirty work.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Help me, please! Somebody call me! Help somebody! Call for a ride for me, please! Ah! Ah! Oh, bro, please me to death, dog! Oh, bro!
Check out Caitlyn Jenner. He comes onto this porch messing with the camera, but shortly gets caught by the homeowner.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes. What do you want? Who are you?
My name's Maisie. I'm just trying to see if you could help me out for a second, please.
No, I cannot help you out. Please leave.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, this place looks fun.
Check this guy out. He has a laundry list of problems and a weird story to tell. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
I want to play with stuff. Hey.
Hi.
You know, I saw the battery. I was like, this place looks fun.
What's that?
Well, I'm the curb painter. My name's Jonathan. I'm the guy who paints the OUs, OSUs, and stuff. My wife and I separated. She's my best friend. She proposed to me. We're in college for music. I've just kind of been out here, and I got a big tent for several of us. It's been really cold. We've got permission over here, and we're trying to run power. We got a super long extension cord. We're willing to pay somebody like $20 a day. But also, I saw the battery. I have a really nice motorcycle I can't seem to get sparked to. I don't know if you know anybody who knows anything about bikes. I paid $200 for it. It's a crotch rocket. It's like a 2008 Suzuki.
Please don't forget to keep those doors locked. You never know what these people have planned or what their intentions are.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Oh. Huh. Oh, I thought you said to go in. Bye, man.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing in there? What? Get on my fucking porch! Apologize. Sorry. We're just playing hide and seek. I apologize. Get on my fucking porch now! What's good? Get the fuck away. What's good? What you doing? What? Yeah, you're looking in my shit.
If you're able to, try to upgrade to a locked mailbox. Keep these bums out of your personal information.
Call the police and tell them they got my purse and stuff, but I know what she is.
You got a camera, huh?
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.